And how does it sound? Well, let's go ahead and show you. So I want to show you the exhaust that we built for the NSX. It is 100% titanium, and it uses dual mode. It uses the electric valves that comes on the car factory. That way you can take advantage of the dynamic mode. You can go from the quiet function to the loud function, and everything is seamless. So the factory system weighs in at 29 pounds. This is pretty heavy to sit on the back of the car. So by reducing the weight, we have the titanium system down to 13 pounds. And again, this is the whole system. It's 100% titanium, right from the flanges, the hangers, the electric valves, the crossover tube. The mufflers are a straight through design. These are the same diameter as the factory system, so they're going to flow at least as much as the factory system. These are a straight through design. There is no cores, there is no chambers, there is nothing in there to disrupt the flow. So even in quiet mode, the exhaust will flow more than the factory system, and in turn, that's going to reduce heat in the exhaust. So I want to take you for a little drive so you can actually hear the system for yourself. It was important to me to have that quiet function as well as the loud function. The loud function is great when you're driving the car spirited, you're on the back roads, you're taking it to the track. But let's say you leave the house at 5 a.m., you go to Cars and Coffee, or even you're just driving in traffic listening to your music. You don't want the car loud all the time. One, it makes the car kind of annoying, and two, it doesn't feel as special when the car is loud all the time. Having that dual function, it's almost like having two cars in one. Let me show you. So, the joy of just driving and being able to enjoy the loud mode and quiet mode. So this again is in quiet mode. You're going to work, you're going home, you're listening to the radio, you're just driving. It's quiet. So changing modes, there's no special remote control or little things to fidget with. You just hit the dynamic mode and it goes right to loud mode. And the nice thing, when you're done making a bunch of noise, it's quiet. No one knows it was you. You didn't just launch the car back there. blend in. Back to quiet mode. So this exhaust is 100% hand built. It's also 100% titanium. The savings are less than half of the factory system. It has a little bit more of an aggressive tone in the quiet mode, and in loud mode it sounds so much more exotic. It's dual 3-inch as opposed to dual 2.5, so it's future proof. If you to put bigger downpipes, bigger turbos on the car, who knows? The exhaust is always gonna be able to keep up with horsepower demands. We can build a titanium exhaust, not just the NSX based. Titanium exhaust, stainless exhaust for pretty much anything. We can design it and cater it to exactly what you're looking for. There is going to be more on the NSX, stay tuned. We will be taking it to the road course and maybe a little bit more drag racing. So if you like what you see, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you want a titanium exhaust. I'm John from LHT Performance. We'll see you on the next video.